rotting still. I move like river through the land. No crown, no throne, just open hand. Me carry peace, me carry flame. Me no seek hype, me no seek fame. Them never see the tears I cry, but still me rise and reach the sky. For in the silence Jah reveal a strength that Babylon can't steal. Silent warrior, move with grace. Truth in heart, light on face. No loud talk, no grand show, but deep inside Jah love flow. Yes, I will walk low, but glow high. And I need crowd to chant my name. Me walk the hills where roots remain. Them run with noise and chase the flash. Me build my home from earth and ash. Me no bow to pressure deep. Me chant when all the world is asleep. A soldier of the sacred kind. With every breath, me free my mind. Silent warrior, heart like drum. Step by step, me overcome. Me no shout, but I survive. In every beat, I feel alive. Ooh, Jah, give our power inside. You don't need no sword to fight. Just hold your faith and shine your light. When world grow cold and shadows wide, silent warriors still rise. So let them dance with vanity, but walk with love and clarity. Ma hold me ground when storm arrive, cause Rootsman know how to survive. They don't see, but Jah do see. The fire burn inside of me. Ma walk with humble lion pride, and all my battles fought inside. Silent warrior, me trot alone, but Jah prepare me stepping stone. No fear, no mask, no lie, just soul and sky. Selassie I, still I. Silent but mighty high. Quiet but never weak. Still chant, still see. Silent but just speak. Quiet but never weak. Still chant, still see. Silent but just speak.
You see, just speak. Nothing noise, nothing noise.
Me sit beneath the old fig tree, where silence speak and soul feel free. No man around, no road, no sound, just breeze and leaf upon the ground. The wind did carry ancient word, my heart it beat with truth unheard. Me learn from breeze, from sway, from spin. Jah plant his wisdom in the wind. Wisdom in the wind flowed to I, like whisper from the Most High. No paper, pen, or preacher face, just breeze that touch my deepest place. Yes, Jah, me hear with grace. Them chase the book, them chase the crowd, but Jah speaks soft, not proud and loud. Me listen close, me spirit still, and there me find Jah holy will. Each gust it bring a sacred sign, like scripture scribed in branch and vine. Me close my eyes, my soul begin to dance with wisdom in the wind. Wisdom in the wind, so pure, it come like healing, like a cure. Me no need gate, me no need key. The truth blows straight from tree to tree. Oh Jah, it set me free. Dub echo like breeze in cave. Nyabinghi chant true leaf and So when the world get loud and wild, me step aside like Jah's own child. Me rest my mind near a mountain bend and wait for wind like long lost friend. It come with peace, it come with might. It shine me dark, it raise me light. And all me need, no money spent, just open heart and ears to wine. Wisdom in the wind, it flow from roots below to stars that glow. It teach me love, it teach me fear. It tell me Jah is always near. Yes, I'm a Joe here. When words grow weak and books can guide, let Jah breeze speak inside.
Flow, not outside, but deep within the river, in the soul. Me walk the valley, me cross the heat, still my soul stay cool and sweet. No matter storm or whirly roll, me carry river in my soul. It come from Jah, it never dry. It keep me steady, it lift me high. Me no need well, me no need bow. The source within, it make my whole river in my soul flow so free. Wash away the doubt in me. Me stand firm, my spirit wide. Jah water flow from deep inside. Yes, Jah, this river me guide. Me no follow the Babylon stream. It's shallow fast, full of empty dream. Me hold to flow that pure and wise, like ancient tide beneath the skies. Me chant in peace, me rest in light. Me roots go down beyond the night. No dam can block, no chain control the freedom live in my soul. River in my soul, calm and true. Me flow with love in all me do. Me give, me grow, me overflow. Me plant good seeds where Jah wind blow. Ooh, Jah, your current still show. Let the dub wash over pain. Let the chimes fall like healing rain. Nyabinghi rolling sacred scroll. Me hear the river in my soul. So when me weary, me rest me mind. Me close me eyes, the stream me find. It sing no song, but still it speak. It make the strong, it lift the weak. Me carry water from the start, through every scar, through every part. And when we reach the Zion goal, me know it's Jah who fill my bowl. A river in my soul, Jah design. It flow with peace, it flow with time. Forever stream from heights unknown. From him alone, my flesh and bone. Yes, me never walk alone. It not end, my whole calm when storm draw near. No sword, no gun, no wicked test can break the peace in my chest. Me learn from leaf, me learn from breeze. Oh, stillness walk among the trees. Me no rush, me no contest. Me just keep peace in my chest. Peace in my chest. Flow like tide when Babylon roar. Me still inside. No wave too big, no noise too loud. Me walk with Jah above the crowd. Yes, Jah, me humble, proud. Me can't control all them do, but me control what living true. Me can't fix world in one breath, but me protect me inner depths. Me carry stillness like a flame. In city noise, me still remain. When I'm lost, me manifest the sacred peace in my chest. Peace in my chest. Come on, wide it, not just hide it. Be my guide. Me not retreat, me not protest. Me hold your love in my chest. Oh, Jah, my soul at rest. Let the rhythm slow like tide at dusk. Chimes ring out truth without a fuss. Nyabinghi chant true rhythm blessed. Me feel the peace in my chest. So when the world call I to hate, my open heart, me shift the weight. Me walk away from wrath and test and hold firm peace in my chest. Me teach the youth true, oh me live. That strength is not what you can give, but what you hold and manifest. That sacred peace in your chest. Peace in my chest, still and sure. Through every trial, my soul endure. It not fade out, it not regress. It grow like tree in my chest. Yes, I, your truth confess. Jah bless. Jah. No matter what Babylon bring, my old a song, my heart still sing. From the hills to the sea, Jah message flow naturally. Truth rooted in the eye seen. They try to sell illusion sweet, but I walk with steady feet. The fruits of Babylon taste nice, but carry curse beneath the spice. I sight the trap behind the screen. Gold chains, false kings living mean. But Rootsman know what real feels like. I tell fire, coconut and mic. Roots never lie, truth never die. Even when the system try, we hold firm, we chant and fly. Lift your head and trot just sky. Ooh yeah, we come from high. Them talk fast but empty still. I move slow with Jah's will. Every leaf and every tree speak creation symphony. Rasta not deal with vanity. We build with love and clarity. No fame can pay what peace can give. It's not just breathe, it's how we live. Roots never lie, truth never die. Even when the system try, we hold firm, we chant and fly. Lift your head and trot just sky. Selassie I guide I chant and pray, give thanks for each and every day. She never read no preacher's book, but teach me how the heavens look. So I man carry what she gave, from dirt below to sunset wave. The truth is deep beneath our feet, in every drum, in every beat. Roots never lie, truth never die, even when the system try. From ancient hills to modern cry, Jah word forever multiply. Ooh Jah, truth always rise. Rise, rise. Truth in the root, and the root in the eye.
This land is holy. Every step a prayer.
Me rise with sun and kiss the dirt. Me give thanks even when it hurt. Each leaf and stone beneath my feet remind me Jah make all complete. This not just land, this life, this breath, this soil been touched by love and death. Me no walk careless, me no play around. Me plant my heart in sacred ground. Sacred ground, me walk with care. Me feel Jah presence everywhere. From mountain top to valley deep, this earth Jah give and it me keep. Yes my soul it reap. Them dig it up, them sell them tears, but Jah still dwell in forest here. Me find my temple in the trees, me bow before the humming bees. No steeple tall, no priest in gown, me hear Jah voice in river sound. And every raindrop falling down, it bless again this sacred ground. Let the chimes sing with croak of frog. Nyabinghi heartbeat in the clay. This ground still chant what prophets say. So when me pass, me ask one plea. Bury me where roots run free. No concrete bed, no polished stone, just earth and breeze and leave me alone. Let children dance where me did lie. Let trees grow tall into the sky. My body gone but still surround. My spirit part of sacred ground. Sacred ground forever be the link between the earth and me. Me no own but me protect with all my soul and full respect. Yes, Jah,
They build their towers made of stone, but I rise with roots alone. No palace high, no kingdom grand can move the truth where I now stand. I've seen the lies that wear a crown, I've heard the silence break me down, but in the quiet I heard a sound, Jah whispered deep beneath the ground. So I stand in the light, even when the world feels night. One drop beat in my soul, reggae fire keep me whole. Ooh, Jah, you make I bold. I don't follow where money leads, I sow the word, I plant the seed. They chase shadows, feed their pride, but I chant and stay inside. This heart, no fear, no evil path. It beat with thunder, burn with wrath. Not of hate, but holy flame, to cleanse the soul, not bring shame. So I stand in the light, even when the world feels night. With my drum and sacred song, I've been righteous all along. Yes, I stand strong. Echo deep like river cry, skank it slow beneath just sky. Let the bassline pull you near, chant down every wicked fear. I walk alone, but not alone. Jah is the rock, the cornerstone. When the storm come test my way, I kneel and still give thanks and pray. This journey long, the road is steep, but Rasta's soul will never sleep. We shine like sun, we bloom like tree. From chains to chants, we're finally free. So I stand in the light, even when the world feels night. Rastafari be my guide, with our soul I never hide. Ooh, Jah, lift me high. No shadow, no fear, stand firm. Jah near, yes I.
Still waters run deep. Me sit by the river early morn, watch how the mist from earth is born. No voice me hear but spirit speak. Still waters run so strong, so meek. Them say me quiet, them can't see the fire me hold internally. Me no shout loud, me soul no leak. Me trust Japa, still and deep. Still waters running deep in I, calm and clear beneath the sky. No storm can shake, no wind can sweep. My heart stays strong, me roots run deep. Yes, Jah, my peace me keep. Them chase the flash, watch the flow. Them move too fast, me choose to grow. Like river bend round rock and tree. Me no resist, me move wisely. Me learn from moon, from tide, from rain. That strength comes slow, not born from pain. Me carry stillness when others weak. I still waters run and deep, still waters running deep and wide. A holy stream where Jah reside. Me carry love, me carry grace, me walk with silence, not the race. So Jah, me feel your face. Dub echo like river breath, chimes like birds in mountain depth. Nyabinghi drums in gentle sweep, but chant for those whose waters deep. So when my gone and world grow loud, just find me not among the crowd. My spirit dwell in morning steep, where still waters sing and keep. Me no need throne, me no need praise, me just give thanks for all my days. And all me leave, me never weep, just peace that run still and deep. Stillness is strength, silence is song. In still waters we belong. Bit full of life, still waters run to. Till this is strength, silence is song. In still waters we belong. I and I still rise like the sun in the morning sky. Bless up. Open your heart, let the healing come. Feel the warmth from the rising sun. No chains can hold a soul that's free. Jah light shine eternally. Winds of truth blow through the land. Lift your head, overstand. This system try keep us blind, but love and faith will realign. Rise like the sun, children of Zion. March to the beat of the holy lion. Don't bow down to no illusion. We burn lies with love's solution. Oh, Jah, Jah, guide our step each day. Yeah. They sell fear on every screen, but I and I live in love unseen. Meditate by the roots and stone. In the silence, I'm not alone. Babylon fall with noise and pride, while humble hearts are sanctified. Fire burn, but don't destroy. It purifies and brings us joy. Rise like the sun, children of Zion. March to the beat of the holy lion. Don't bow down to no illusion. We burn lies with love's solution. Yes, still I rise. Chant down hate, chant down greed. Jah provide all that we need. Roots grow strong when storms blow hard. Every scar becomes a guard. So walk slow through the valley deep. With faith in Jah your soul will keep. Even when the night is long, Zion come with sacred song. I see hope in every face, melanin bright with Jah's embrace. Lift your voice, don't be afraid, with the music that love made. Rise like the sun, children of Zion. March to the beat of the holy lion. Don't bow down to no illusion. We burn lies with love's solution. Ooh, Jah, lift us higher still. Still I rise, still we shine. easy now. Let it flow. There's a river inside. Let Jah love guide. There's a river inside our soul, flowing deep, flowing bold. It now makes sound like thunder loud, but it shape mountains, break the cloud. Me no need no map to ride. Me just follow the stream inside. Me trust the current, me trust Jah tide. It carry I where truth reside. Like a river inside, me move slow. Through hills, through pain, me still grow. Me not fight, me just glide. Me hold your hand and let it slide. Yes, the river never dry. Them build dam, them block my way, but my spirit still find a way. Me carve through stone with silent mind. Me shine in dark, no need for light. Me learn from roots, from breeze, from rain, from joy, from loss, from sacred pain. Me bend but never break or hide. Me guided by the river inside. Like a river inside, me stay true, flowing with love in all I do. Me no stuck, me no bound. Me float with life, Jah keep I sound. Ooh, Jah, the river overflown. Feel the current in your chest. Let it cleanse, let it bless. No need to rush, just ride the stream. In Jah river, we dream. So when the world get dry and rough, we flow through calm, my heart stay tough. Me no drown in what them say, but trust Jah voice to show the way. The river whisper truth so clear. Don't fear the storm, just steer. And even when I slip or slide, still flowing deep, my river inside. Like a river inside, we keep peace. From dawn to dusk, we never cease. We overflow with love so wide. My journey long, but Jah me guide. Yes, Jah, my river is life. Me flow in silence, but my strength is life.